Hi gamers! In this video, let's find step-by-step solution to exception access violation error while playing Stalker 2. There are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. Let's go through one by one. Step 1. Verify game files. For Steam users, right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, navigate to the Installed Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This checks for and repairs any corrupted or missing files for Xbox app users. Find the game in your library, click on the three dots next to it, select Manage, go to the Files tab, and click Verify and Repair. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. For NVIDIA users, use GeForce Experience to download and install the latest drivers. AMD users should visit the AMD website for driver updates. Step 3. Run as administrator. Step 4. Disable background applications. Step 5. Adjust virtual memory settings with the steps provided in the video. Step 6. Check for Windows updates. Step 7. Reinstall the game. Step 8. Consider performance mods. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this.